Good morning. I'm Dominic Chapman, and I'm cooking at the Crown in Birches Green today. And Four Seasons have delivered me some beautiful produce, really good. I've got some lovely cherry tomatoes. I've got some purple tomatoes, which I've never seen before, so that's lovely. And I've got some nettles, so hopefully I won't sting myself too badly. But mystery boxes today. Let's prepare something beautiful. Right then, so very simple mystery box. Got these lovely tomatoes. Let's do a tomato salad. So all we're going to do is we're going to serve the two different types of tomatoes, the cherry and the beef tomatoes raw. I'm going to make a little pesto out of this. I'll do some pickled shallots. That's it. Simple tomato salad, job done.